Are you a Blender user looking to take your 3D projects to the next level? If so, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a bunch of Blender add-ons and generators that will help you create stunning visuals and effects in your projects. Instant Impostors. The Instant Impostors Blender add-on provides users with a tool to automatically transform any mesh into an optimized low-poly impostor, which significantly boosts performance in large-scale scenes. This add-on applies advanced shader-based rendering to provide a detailed representation of the original mesh. This is achieved through the use of 3D parallax, self-shadowing, and translucency to enhance the emulation of the original object's details. However, this add-on is solely compatible with Eevee and does not support the exportation of impostors to other game engines or programs. Moreover, it currently does not support animated impostors. Philogix Pbr Painter. Philogix Pbr Painter is an invaluable tool for streamlining your texturing workflow. This innovative Blender add-on enables you to texture and paint directly within the program, thereby removing the necessity for using multiple software. It employs a familiar layer-based workflow, similar to those found in Substance Painter and Photoshop, and also supports smart materials. With Philogix Pbr Painter, your texturing process becomes considerably more efficient. This add-on empowers you to take your 3D creations up a notch by providing enhanced control and flexibility. Don't miss the opportunity to revolutionize your 3D texturing process. Seize the chance to add Philogix Pbr Painter to your toolkit today. Curve Fluids. The Curve Fluids geometry node presents an innovative way to create fluid objects using curves. Traditionally, manipulating the shape of a fluid has been a challenging task, but with this node, you can freely adjust the shape according to your needs and preferences. Additionally, it offers the ability to replicate dynamic painting effects, thus enabling the creation of realistic fluid objects. Moreover, the shape and other intricate details of the fluid can be fine-tuned using specific parameters, providing a high level of control and precision over the end result. Lego Everything. Imagine the possibilities with Lego Everything, an innovative Blender geometry node that can transform any object into Lego. The real beauty of this technology lies in its customization features. It offers adjustable parameters to control the size of the Lego, making it incredibly versatile. Moreover, it maintains the integrity of the original object's textures, seamlessly converting textured objects into Lego forms. This feature adds a layer of authenticity and charm to the Lego creations. For those who are intrigued by this tool, it's available for purchase on the Blender market. Unleash your creativity and reimagine your world with Lego Everything. The SHIT Sci-Fi Hologram Interface Templates for Blender. The SHIT, or Sci-Fi Hologram Interface Templates, is a groundbreaking add-on tool for Blender, the popular open-source 3D creation software. This innovative tool comes with 27 built-in generators and a whopping 65 rendering elements compatible with various platforms like After Effects. Despite having fixed generator numbers, the SHIT add-on offers limitless possibilities. Users can experiment, modify patterns, and create unique items that are entirely different from the original generator. It's incredibly user-friendly too. You simply drag and drop it from the asset library and tweak the appearance of the properties according to your preference. It's an excellent tool for artists, particularly those who frequently create sci-fi scenes, as it can help them bring their visions to life more efficiently and creatively. Ivypen add-on. The Ivypen add-on is a versatile tool specifically designed for Blender 3.3 or newer versions. This unique add-on enables users to effortlessly add and customize Ivy in an incredibly user-friendly manner. Through the Ivypen add-on, users can create Ivy using the pen tool, offering an elevated level of creativity and freedom to their designs. The process is simple. Users just need to select the object on which they wish to add Ivy and click on Create Ivy. This action propels them into a mode where the pen tool can be used to draw and design the Ivy. Given the high degree of freedom and versatility, Ivypen add-on becomes a powerful tool in the hands of designers working with Blender. Droplet Generator. The Droplet Generator 2 is a remarkable Blender add-on designed for producing intricate and sophisticated water droplets. Due to its procedural creation, users have the flexibility to make diverse adjustments or changes directly from the property panel, thus facilitating the creation of more advanced water droplets than those crafted manually. A standout feature of this add-on is its capacity to realistically mimic the traces of water droplets. It offers an incredibly realistic depiction, as the dripping water absorbs the droplets it encounters and then flows away. Currently, this feature is under development and is only functional on flat surfaces. However, the prospect of future updates to enhance its capability is exciting. You're invited to give it a try. Stitch Generator. The Stitch Generator v2.0 is the latest edition of this ingenious add-on, now available for immediate use. This advanced tool enables users to swiftly and effortlessly add stitches to a wide range of meshes by simply drawing a curve. The integrated add-on panel offers comprehensive control over each stitch set. The default settings can be fine-tuned to guarantee a uniform appearance across all stitches, all while offering the flexibility to modify individual curves for a unique touch. Basic controls, such as thread length, width, color, and spacing can be conveniently adjusted. For a more personalized style, users can alter the number of strands, the twist level of the thread, the tightness or looseness of the thread, and the stitch style. The tool also features straightforward shading effects for holes and seams that do not directly impact the geometry of the meshes. Stitch Generator v2.0 is compatible with Blender 3.6 or later versions. Smartify Nodes. Smartify Nodes is a user-friendly, drag-and-drop solution designed to add a variety of environmental effects to your PBR materials, serving as the foundation for creating your own smart materials. The process is as simple as choosing an effect from the library, such as moss, snow, dust, sand, or even alien growth, and dragging it onto your material. These effects can be easily customized with just a few clicks. You can also create your own environmental effects by replacing shaders and textures with others from the Smartify library, or by using your own. Smartify Nodes allows you to quickly design smart effects and materials from scratch using the building blocks available in the library, including smart masks like facing, location, edges, and leaking, and smart utilities like anti-tile, parallax mapping, random per object. Moreover, all effects can be masked by painting on the vertex colors, or with an image texture. Smartify Nodes truly simplifies the process. Just drag, drop, and tweak as needed. In the world of 3D design and animation, one of the most challenging tasks is creating realistic fluid simulation. This is where Cell Fluids comes into play. Cell Fluids is a geometry nodes-powered add-on, specifically designed for Blender, that allows users to simulate fluids in a semi-realistic and interactive manner. Cell Fluids operates on a 2.5D simulation, which means it creates a sense of depth and volume without being fully three-dimensional. The simulation is based on the scene's height field, and is executed in a 2D grid mesh with displacement applied to it. This unique method of fluid simulation allows for quicker rendering times and less strain on your computer's resources. However, it is important to note that this add-on requires Blender 3.6 or newer versions. The key features of Cell Fluids include fast interactive semi-real-time fluid simulations, which enable users to see adjustments in real time without the need for lengthy rendering times. The add-on also prides itself on its ability to produce realistic fluids. Despite its 2.5D nature, the fluids generated by Cell Fluids have a high level of realism, giving an impressive look to your 3D scenes.